Explanation to the journey to IIM.
Years ago, when I was still sitting among all of you, I did not imagine that I would pursue a career in management. I just wanted to study physics, maths, science. I got into NIT Jaipur. I had a wonderful time there. Then I continued my pursuit of engineering. I worked at Reliance Industries for 2+ years. And then while I was working there, I saw the impact management careers can make. You can reach up to positions like sir mentioned before. You can become a CEO, and then you're not just an engineer, you become someone who can change the direction of a company. You can impact people on a larger scale, how people are hired, what products should be pushed out into the market, how sustainability should be balanced with growth.
IIM की जर्नी कैसे कंप्लीट करी?
Work experience was a huge part of it, though I encourage you to make up your mind earlier and start pursuing which field you want to get into. But it's also okay to get lost a little. Do engineering, pursue BCom, study arts, and then if you make up your mind, like me, you can study for management examinations. I prepared for CAT exclusively, but there are other examinations, ZAT and IPMAT, which offer an integrated program which enables you to study for 3 years an integrated course, not just engineering, combined with arts and commerce subjects. And then after 3 years, you can combine this into a management program with the regular MBAs.
मैं तानिया फ्रॉम कॉमर्स। तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि स्कैट में एग्जाम में कितने सब्जेक्ट होते हैं?
CAT एग्जाम्स में 3 सेक्शंस होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज VARC which tests your verbal aptitude, and second is DILR, decision making and data interpretation, and the final one is quants. You have to solve maths questions. So the 3 areas you need to be really good at is you have to have a good reading speed, which you get from reading newspapers, reading books, and doing maths. When you're still in school, build your basics in mathematics. They help you in the long run. Once you graduate from school, and even after graduate from college, some people lose touch with their basics. I encourage them not to do that. Keep their notes. I still have my notes from the school, from all the teachers that taught me. I refer to them sometimes. They are incredibly helpful. And then start reading graphs and just develop a logical mindset. These are the basic things which will help you crack any management exam, not just CAT.
Myself Nisha from 11th Commerce. My question is आपका IIM में कैसे सिलेक्शन हुआ?
IIM में selection के लिए I started studying while I was still working. So I would do 7-8 hours of work every single day, wake up at 8, do my regular work, and I was in an important position, so I had to do important things there, study for the work as well. And once I got back home, I would start studying. I did not take any coaching because after all, it's an aptitude test, and all the things you learn through your life will help you crack it. So I used to put in 2-3 hours after work every day, and consistency got me where I am.
My name is Disha. मुझे ये पूछना है कि मैट और कैट एग्जाम में डिफरेंस क्या होता है?
मैट और कैट एग्जामिनेशन में मेजर डिफरेंस would be कि CAT offers you admissions into IIMs. That is what we all are going for at this point. MAT is also a management examination which offers admissions into Xavier Institute of Technology, XIM, and other esteemed colleges. But if you're aspiring big, then prepare for CAT or ZAT.